Linking your bank to Zions Bancorp is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Access your Zions Bancorp account. Log into your Zions Bancorp online banking account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to the Link Accounts section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your bank information. Input the required information for the bank you wish to link. This typically includes your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Step 4. Verify your identity. To ensure security, you may be asked to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Step 5. Confirm the link. After entering all necessary information and completing the verification process, review the details and confirm the link. You should receive a notification once the linking process is successful. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank to Zions Bancorp. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.